Welcome to Geriatric News Network. Today's alert: AI chaos looms large. Our breaking story: AI glitches misdiagnose at alarming rates. Stay alert. Imagine your AI physician like a broken record, misdiagnosing ailments. Think of AI like a boisterous bingo caller, insistent yet unreliable. In one case, a cough turns into an AI-predicted epidemic outbreak. Hospitals nationwide are flooded with false alarms like clockwork chaos. Remember, AI's melody isn't always sweet. It's often off-key. We advise keeping analog backup for peace of mind, like a trusty cane. The future is here, but it's laced with unforeseen turbulence and risk. Stay vigilant, seniors. Until systems improve, it's better safe than AI sorry.